Introducing C Supreme Ascorbic Acid, Empowered Consumerism, powered by AIM Global. Sa panahon ngayon, ito ang need mo para mas lalong lumakas ang immune system mo. C Supreme benefits. Number 1, has 12% more antioxidant delivery, supreme absorption compared to other forms of vitamin C. Number 2, has 233% higher retention of vitamin C in the human body, supreme retention compared to other forms of vitamin C. Number 3, has 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblasts and collagen healing. Number 4, 64% higher reduction on plasma levels of C-reactive proteins. C-reactive proteins are biomarkers of our body for diseases and inflammations. Number 5, has 250% more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxins. Introducing our new product, C Supreme Ascorbic Acid Vitamin C. Good for our health, more benefits. C Supreme is the latest product of Empowered Consumerism, or EC5, also known as AIM Global or Alliance in Motion Global. C Supreme has a breakthrough advantage compared to ordinary vitamin C in the market. It is proven in a multiple clinically study that C Supreme has an advantage of supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance. C Supreme is the best of the best vitamin C available today. C Supreme, actually acidic siya kasi ascorbic acid. But because of the lipid metabolite encapsulation, kaya mabilis siyang na-absorb ng gastrointestinal tract natin. Kaya di siya nag-stay matagal sa tiyan natin. Siyempre, kapag mabilis na-absorb, mabilis ding na i-deliver sa ating mga cells. And even yung pagpasok niya sa cells natin ay mabilis din. Kaya kapag acidic ang isang tao, pwede rin siyang uminom ng C Supreme para maiwasan na lang ang stomach upset, which most likely not to happen, pero for the assurance na lang, inumin agad after meal po. Once a day for maintenance of health. Kapag may sakit, pwedeng mag 2 capsule per day. Safe din sa mga buntis at lactating mothers, once a day lang din. Kapag may kidney or liver problem, once a day lang din po ang recommendation natin. 12 years old and above may start to use C Supreme. To know more about our product and order, just directly message me on my FB Messenger account or just click the description box below and I will put the link on how you can directly message me. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.